just a random video I decided to make. I got my one of my packages, and this is Donkey Kong Land on the Game Boy. So, just a small package. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and play it on this Game Boy. Sometimes, like I said in the other video, these things without scissors are kind of hard to open. And there it is. They put it in cardboard with some extra stuff to protect it. This is kind of bizarre. Sorry I haven't really been posting recent videos. I've had a lot of homework to just do a lot of my time, and I haven't even been playing many games recently. Like, that's how much homework I've had. It's mostly the worst subject ever, math, at least in my opinion. There it is. Although not even, there we go, got it. This is actually in really good condition. Let's go ahead and play it. See if it works. It works. The graphics are actually really good on this. Wow, game selection? Wow, these are really good graphics. For the Game Boy at least. This is really neat. I like this. This is like 16-bit, but 8-bit. Really cool, guys. I have a few special surprise videos, unboxings coming very soon, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.